So another example of what we're doing socially, this is a really key car for us. This is our new Dart. And this is a social media program that we're doing at DeviantArt, which is actually the 16th largest social network focusing on creative people and artists and whatnot. And the idea is to get them to design around our car and show us what they think of it and interpret it and push it out to their networks. And so we've initiated this program, and we're already seeing some really cool results. And again, we're not controlling this. This is being done by other people, and it's their vision of the car. And they're giving it a fresh twist and a fun twist. They're going out, they're getting these assets. We're not giving them a canned set of assets to work with. They're building it themselves. And some of the results are really fun. My personal favorite is Darth Vader. And this is using components from our instrument panel to create Darth Vader's helmet. And this stuff starts to push virally through the web. And again, it's just a fresh interpretation of a very new car. And it's an important car for us. Here it is. We need to sell this car to a lot of millennials. And we're very focused on what they think is important with it. And so it needs to cover a lot of bases. It's going to have very high fuel efficiency. It's going to get over 40 miles to the gallon. It also is being endorsed by Travis Pastrana, and it has performance credentials. There are over 100,000 ways that you can configure your Dart. So again, saying to a new generation of people, you don't have to drive what everyone else drives. You can interpret your car, you can express yourself with your car, and that's part of the excitement. You don't have to wedge it into the machine that is the auto industry. It's your car. Make it about you. So that's a big part of the push. And the other big part of the push is then technology and technology integration. So not only can you customize the outside, but this is essentially a very large 8.5-inch touchscreen that's in the center of the instrument panel on a number of the models, which gives you access to all kinds of apps, your nav system, all of your controls. It syncs with your phone. You can get vehicle health reports off of your phone or your iPad away from the car. You can unlock the car with your iPhone if you ever lock your keys in it or something like that. And it's all built in. We are the first auto manufacturer to incorporate Beats sound systems into our car. Imagine Chrysler. People used to think Ricardo Montalban when they thought Chrysler. Now they're thinking Dr. Dre. This is huge for us. The car industry had turned into this lumbering dinosaur, and it was answering issues that concerned itself and not its customers. And you have to turn that on its head, and you have to move quickly. And it's really exciting to take an old line industry and understand what's in it, what passion points are in it, how do you pull those up and make them relevant to a whole new generation of people, because there's important stuff that we're doing. And when we can communicate that and make people fall back in love with cars, then we've won. So that is Chrysler.